26th November 2011, the first winter rain in eastern area, Dammam. I'm heading to second industrial area from Dammam Askan. Rain looks good and wet as it can be. Everybody is going slow and steady. And the clouds are full. Oh, there was a bridge up over me. That's why we got a break of rain for a few seconds. A slow loving song going on in the background. As usual, the music is always a part of our journey. Splash of rain all over the windscreens of everybody. But what can we do? Nothing. Just to clean up the mess after the rain, give the car wash handsome amount to clean every inch of the car, but he won't cover that either. Oh wow, you can see that splashes of rain from the front car, making it very impossible to drive. Yeah, the first one, a person ahead of me just turned on the hazards due to the same reason. Whoa. Oh, there's a Nirvana on my right side. And that Nirvana, I can jump to Nirvana. I still have time. No, I won't. Because we will get late. Yeah, that's our Nirvana, baby. Oh yeah, the diamond, orange diamond on the right side. Yeah, Nirvana, baby. As soon we pass the Nirvana Road Cafe is the actual name. The rain got a little slower. I have to get back to my breakfast, guys. I'm hungry, bunny. Yeah, baby, yeah. So let me have my breakfast bites and I'll get back to you for the second part of this journey toward second industrial area to Altoverki group of companies. And a great guitar piece in the music right now. Bye guys.